that?
You know it's going to be a good day when car parts come in. So in here, besides all these bolts and studs, is the new front camber kit for the coupe. This is the same front camber kit that I have on the Del Sol, so I figured same car, pretty much, should just get the same parts. I'm gonna assemble these real quick just so that I know that everything's in order and we should be good. Alright, so just as any other eBay part goes, they took a little bit more coercing than I had expected to get 100% put together, but nonetheless, they are put together. Pretty much how these work is on the other side of this, there's 4 Allen keys, and you would loosen these, and you would take your whole spindle setup and you would push it forwards and then re-tighten down the Allen keys, and that would give you the camber that you need. I believe this kit gives you -5 degrees of camber in the front. I'm still waiting on my rear camber kit that should be in a few days, and then when I get the rear camber kit in, that's self-explanatory to put the rear camber kit in. So I'll show you guys how to do that. I'll install it into the Civic, and then we will be able to finally fit these wheels. So while I am waiting for those parts to come in, I need to get the fenders rolled on the coupe, and as you guys know, these wheels don't fit. And I knew that they weren't going to fit when I picked them up. They needed to be cambered and lowered and adjusted and all this stuff. But I do need the fenders rolled, and I have a friend that can do it for me. So I'm going to go down to his shop right now, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Hi, could I get a large iced caramel swirl extra with a shot of blueberry?
A large iced caramel extra with a shot of blueberry?
Yes. So if you guys are new to the channel, if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. I think we're like 13 away from 25,000, which is absolutely insane. I'm ready to have an awesome day. If you haven't already had a caramel swirl with blueberry, it is the greatest thing ever. So be sure to try that out, and let's have an awesome day. Just got off the highway. Whole car's disgusting. So, car wash again. Get in there. Fucking mans. Double vlogging. Oh, I can hear Mike's belt. Sounds great, Mike. I was thinking about grabbing that and didn't, but thank you. You're good right there. Are you ready? I'm ready, boy. Finna fuck yo John up. So guys, today we are rolling the fenders on the coupe. As you guys know, I bought those, and they are too wide for the car, and
Too much girth.
Too much girth. So as you know, when you lower a car, you need to roll the fenders if they're not already rolled. So that is the job we're doing today, and thankfully Jimmy was so kind of him to do it for me, because I don't have a roller or a good enough place to do it at, so. Let's get this done. Yeah. In the lighting in Jimmy's shop, you can see my amazing paint job so much better. Oof. It's so bad. Can you guys see the tiger? Oh, you can see the tiger striping. Jeez, it's so bad. I'm so excited for this thing to be repainted. It's not even funny. Look at all the overspray. It's so bad. But I'm so excited to see this thing 100% done this year. Oof, it's gonna be so good. This shit looks like a donut compared to this. Boy. You versus the Manch tells you not to worry about. I think that these are factory 5.5 wide. It looks like a spare donut. Yeah. Nice. So tiny. Can we put the Honda hubcaps in here? Yes.
I'm gonna put some soda cans in there.
Oh, dude, this a 3-piece would be so cool. All right, guys. Now this is a step that everyone forgets to do. Me, myself, and I. Inside the lip, dirt will get in there, and if you roll it, it won't actually fold because the dirt will get in the way, and it'll actually.
Very true.
It'll actually promote rust because it rubs the paint on the inside and your fenders right out. So get a brush, even like a soft wire brush, and just clean out the inside of the lip.
The downsides of taking your fender liners out.
Yeah, your boys are crusty.
You get things crusty.
We're gonna take a brush.
Oh yeah.
See, all that dirt, get her out. Yeah, there wasn't much in there. Oh.
Heating her up.
Heating her up. Gotta make the paint all nice and soft so it doesn't crack as much when you roll it. I'm not a professional. But the paint's probably gonna crack. It's old paint, but
Yeah. It's getting repainted anyways, so not a big deal. Before. I can tell, but after.
trying to make them like perfectly even. I think that's pretty good.
No, it pulled it out nice.
I think we got uniform pull, right?
Yeah.
Do you see any?
No, dude, it looks fresh.
Yeah, you could still. Next time you have your bumper off,
Yeah.
you could take a hammer to the corner right here, just like a soft against your hand, because we can't really reach it with the roller.
Yeah.
I don't know if the wheel's actually gonna hit here or not.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to tell till it's in, but I think we got a uniform pull out of it.
No, I think it looks.
What you guys gotta be careful about is like, sometimes it's tighter in some places than other. So when you put even tension on it, it might pull harder in some areas. So you wanna be like, kind of aware of that, so you don't just get like this huge bulge in one corner.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of time there's like fender liner brackets on there, and it'll pull harsher in those areas too. So you want to make sure you account for that, because then you'll just get like these random high and low spots. So what we did to fix that is when I went back, looked down, you can see where the high and lows are, and just kind of give it like some pressure in the low spot. Pull it out a little bit, give it a little small back and forth, and then back it off, and there you go. There's your low gone. So
That's sick.
almost
Thank you so much.
1 out of 4.
All right, here's a test fit with one of the front Meisters.
At actual ride height.
Yeah, this is my ride height 2018. I'm gonna need to probably get shortened spindles for this thing, because I know when I go lower, the upper control arm is gonna hit the strut tower almost every bump. So
Yeah, douche. Yeah,
it's gonna be bad.
it is gonna be rad. It's gonna look so good though.
I know. I'm so excited.
Even like, I know your paint's a little boof, but like, dude, the wheels just take your attention off of it so much.
Yeah.
That like,
And the paint will all be one color too, which will be good. Cause I boofed it really bad.
I love this color.
But yeah, I'm so stoked.
Red door gang.
Red Door Gang.
Dude, you're gonna drag these mud flaps out. You're gonna.
I'm gonna make them like half the size of what they are, dude.
Good. Nothing's worse than when there's like a little pebble in there and you try to roll it and you get a little.
Yeah.
Paint is gonna crack. This is the boof paint.
Oh yeah. This paint will crack.
We'll try my best not to. I love this.
That's not me. I live on the 5th floor.
I've heard it. That's it. Nice and easy. Yes.
Banjo. Hey. What's up? What's up?
Comes out a little far right here. Let me see if I can smooth that in. Pull this one out a little bit. Yeah, they always have like that. The problem is there's a really thick bracket right here. So to bend it, like always, it pulls it. Do you see it like hit right there?
Yeah.
So the bracket is. See if it'll even it out. Huh, yeah, that's a lot better. I could live with that.
Yeah.
We got a little bit more pull on that one, I think. There we go. That fixed it. That cleaned it up. I could just. I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Next time you take the bumper off, just get the little corner, bring it out a little bit more to make it even.
Yeah.
But I can't with the bumper on.
It's all good.
That's a little. Sweet. It's even. A little bit of pull. We're good.
Awesome.
Awesome. Ain't no phone booking out here.
Sick.
Mike loves his OEM fender trim, but we're gonna cut it off on him
Rip.
because all it does is hold freaking moisture and rot his fenders out. But we're gonna compromise. I'm only gonna cut it to like here, where it's gonna, basically where we're gonna be rolling the fender.
Look at that.
Look at that. It's surprisingly clean underneath. Psych. This is gonna suck. We might actually have to cut a little slit right there, or else it's gonna want to buckle. We'll make it work. There we go. Not bad. Oh, this is coming out actually not bad. You might have a decent pull on this just because like we need the force to bend it. That's gonna end up just pulling the whole thing, you know?
Yeah.
Last time it's actually folding in on itself, but yeah, see how it's like wants to bind up here a little bit?
Yeah.
Let's cut it. I think we're gonna cut it.
Cut it.
Yeah, I don't want it to, see how it's already starting to bind a little bit? I don't want that to happen.
Yeah.
We're just gonna cut it. Of course, when we're done, we're gonna go put some paint on it just so it doesn't rust.
Yeah.
See how it buckled right here? That's what caused this little indent.
Focus. Ah, there we go. Focus. Focus.
Sorry about your paint.
It's all good.
What's up?
What's up?
Guys are coming off me. What up, Mike?
What up, boy?
What's good?
Thank you. I've never seen a Meister with a center cap before. Have you?
No, I've never.
That looks pretty cool.
I came with them. They said Meister.
Wow, Dill.
They just said Meister on them. I had him in my car like 2 weeks ago too.
It's nothing, he says.
They don't come with them, or?
No, I don't think so. Oh wow, that's got some. You're gonna want to maybe hammer this out when you get a chance some more. I don't want to pull it anymore right there.
No, you don't have to, but.
I'll leave you to that job.
Oh goodness.
A little bit of Cambies on this one.
Oh yeah.
A
little bit of Honda action.
Oh yeah.
bit of Cambies.
We'll go 3 lug nuts, just like
lower control
your average Civic owner. Ready? Ooh, actually it'll go in when it lowers.
Yeah.
Not bad. Pop your trunk. Let's all get in the trunk. Well, Donald, you're not doing much, but.
Oh no, you don't.
There we go. Come on, get in here. Join the party. Come on, Dill.
How's that one? Oh. It's just resting on it. Did it do much?
It's resting on. I think it's resting on the tire, but.
Definitely is.
Yeah.
Dude, 3 degrees and you're in there.
Oh yeah, I'm in
That
there.
actually is going to take a lot less camera than I thought. Because
Yeah.
look how much it naturally goes in camera wise.
Yeah. Sick.
Like I said, the rear camber kit I ordered, but the other camber kit shipped quicker, so I have the front camber kit. The rear camber kit still hasn't come in yet, so when that comes in, I'll put both in and we'll be able to camber these and lower the car.
Oh yeah, look how nice this is coming out right here. Nice and even. So you guys cut a slit.
Cut a slit in it, make it easier. So Jimmy, I'm approaching 25,000 subscribers.
Hey! Come up season.
I'm gonna be hosting a car meet near my shop.
It's pretty far.
Yeah.
That does sound fun though.
You wanna be there?
Is this the invite?
This is an invite.
I'll be there.
Yeah, you get to whip the Del Sol then.
Oh my god. I'm gonna snap the axles on that thing.
No, I've sent that thing so many times.
Oh my god. That's gonna be fun. See, look how nice that came out last night. Sweet.
Very nice.
That one's really easy.
You guys can see it's slightly pulled out a little bit, but it's perfect.
Consistent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no way.
Super nice.
But like, there's no way we're gonna be able to get up there.
How are we gonna get up there? Do we have any
I don't know, that's a whole...
system over there, it takes 3 to 4 minutes. Because I could do it for you.
PhD in homeschool. Hello.
We out here. So this is the microphone on my camera, the dead cat, and Jimmy thinks that I should bring my gray hair back.
I miss it so much.
So I don't know. Maybe we'll. This is what I'm supposed to look like. This is what I look like. I'm thinking about bringing the gray hair back. There you go. There it is. Arm move. I don't think that's the smartest part. Put it on your arm. Pull. Pull.
I'm trying. It's gonna come out.
Come on, lift it.
Wait, is that gonna come out? No, we're good.
Now would be time to get this car.
Alright, let's get the Civic out of here.
I don't know, man. I can't see the top of it at all.
Oh, because it's hooked in.
Not really.
That's probably not good then.
Is it a J? This is a little scary. Who would have thought?
All right, so the Civic fender roll is all done. I'm gonna take the wheels off and put the stock ones back on. Obviously, you guys know they don't fit yet, but I will be making them fit very soon. And yeah.
There it is. Oh boy. Oh. I whipped before I spun. Oh! Oh boy.
That was a good one.
Look at this. I'm at 25. I just hit 25, and this man.
Oh! Ah!
What a fucking
Got it! Ready? We could relive the moment again together. Ready?
Ready?
Yo! You got 25 minutes? What? Yo! Congratulations, Mike.
Thanks, Jimmy. On that note, thank you guys so much for 25,000 subscribers. It's insane. I'm gonna head out. I gotta drive home, and I will see this man again very soon.
Yes, sir. You want a dog? It's
Oh,
free.
No, he kind of farts a lot.
Yeah, he does.
That's our
Jimmy, thank you so much for
Yes,
rolling
sir.
my fenders for me today.
Congratulations, 25K.
Man. Thank you, man.
See you at 100.
Hey, that's awesome. You coming to the meet?
Come to me.
Hey.
Just tell me when and where.
Yeah, I know. I need to find a place. I'll see you guys later.